Looking for the best HVAC experts to keep your system clean and safe? Ductz offers the professional duct cleaning services you need. The air quality experts at Ductz help residential and commercial facilities clean their indoor vents and ducts to guarantee safe indoor air. The duct cleaning services provided by Ductz experts help reduce the risk of respiratory conditions like asthma and allergies. Unpleasant odors, house rodents, insects, and microbes are among other problems that the Ductz services help prevent. The services include cleaning ducts and all other parts of the HVAC system like blowers, fans, and coils. The technicians at Ductz make sure all of these vents are thoroughly cleaned to improve both air quality and alleviate the risk of fires. Their duct cleaning experts use more than 100 items in their checklist to make sure all parts of your HVAC system are thoroughly cleaned. Click on the link in the description to find out more.